All right, well, let's get started opening these boxes up. Obviously, this is the barrel. Some other stuff. Directions and bolts. These are all the bins. Last season we kind of just used a bunch of plastic and stuff and a bunch of manual labor, so I'm hoping this will speed up the process. You know, and these are kind of thick plastic, the bins to catch it in, and then the support that's going to attach the lawnmower. So let's kind of get this situated and then start putting this together. So there's just two sets of bolts, different lengths, and 2 extra nuts that we'll be installing as well. So the way, looking at the picture, I think this is in the front, something like that. Maybe it goes like that. So it would pop them out, yeah. So the combs are on the top. Makes sense, you're rolling through and the pecans come up and the combs pull them off into the baskets. So the main thing we're gonna do is, seems pretty simple. The extra nuts are to attach this bar onto the back, and it's a 7/16 wrench that'll get you tightened up. All right, and then there's the nose cone here. All right, for some reason I thought these things were clipping onto this bar that goes along the bottom, but it clips onto these little clips on the top, like that. Okay, you gotta make it to where the baskets are level, and it looks like the second hole here for mine will do the job. Okay, so yeah, like I said, not much to it. It's just this bar that comes in some pieces. They got the nose cone and then the 2 sides. There's a bolt that's already pre-installed in here, and you just put the nut on it. Then you have the front here. It's just a bolt and a nut, 7/16 wrench. And then this is the height adjuster here. You've got a couple of holes that you put the bolt in from the inside and the nuts on the outside. Then when you put in your hook it up to your lawnmower, it raises it to where the basket is level. So that's about it. Not much to it here. What I'm gonna do is be using this today, and we'll see what happens with it. It actually just started raining, so I'm gonna have to wait till that kind of dries off. All right, so this is the first tree and we're about done. You can see a bunch of the debris that's in the bins as well, but it does pick up a lot of pecans. Even after you drive over them, it seems like they pop up. And so, you know, it gets some in here like this. But you did notice I had to get off a little bit and get kind of clear it out. It kind of gets stuck in here with some of these leaves and sticks. So this is just the first pass, and you know, gives me ideas on how to do it better, but it definitely works a lot better than last year's plastic and gathering and stuff like that. So this year I plan to just do this, and I think it would really do good. I think I'm gonna have someone have to go around the middle of the tree and get some of the pecans, you know, that drop kind of like right next to the trunk. And I think that's about it. I don't see many else in here. So I think that's about it. I appreciate you guys sticking around for this one. I gotta finish it up because it is about to rain. So again, I can't catch a break. So I'm gonna go kind of put this away for now and then bring this out in a couple of days when I have a couple of days straight of sunshine and I can get a lot done. So anyway, appreciate you sticking around for this episode and hope this helped you out on this Bag-O-Nut 36-inch harvester.